The following phrases will help you improve your speaking and small talk skills.
3 sentences in present perfect off the top of my head. What have you been up to? How have you been? It's been a while. So, what have you been up to? Meaning, like, how are you? How are things?
It's a common English question for small talk. It contains the phrasal verb to be up to, which means to be doing something. It's used as a greeting when meeting old friends after a long time. What have you been up to is another way of asking what have you been doing. You can ask it to find out what someone has been doing within a period of time. For example, what have you been up to this week? The most common answers to these questions are nothing really or not much, and you, which means that you haven't done much today, this week, recently, or since you last spoke to each other. If the question is returned and you had the same experience as the person asking it, you can also respond with same here. For example, what have you been up to? Not much, and you? Same here. If you want to give more information than simply nothing really or not much, use the present perfect continuous tense. For example, I've been hitting the gym a lot. I've been working on a project all week. I need a break. I've been looking for a job. It's exhausting. No one seems to be hiring. I've been running some errands.
How have you been? The same.
How have you been is another common question, a synonym for what have you been up to? Ask this question only if you have met someone previously and haven't seen each other for some time, like a week or so. For example, how have you been since you moved? How have you been since you got promoted? How have you been since you got divorced? Or just, how have you been? When you are in casual conversations, you may give short or one-word answers. For example, good, great, not bad, never been better, I've been better. Things got a little crazy actually. Busy. Same old. To improve your fluency, you could also give longer answers. For instance, I have been busy working. I've been traveling for work quite a bit since we saw each other last Thanksgiving. I've been working out like crazy, dieting, getting ready for the marathon. Oh, I've been studying a little too hard. I need a break. Well, I've been spending a lot of time in the office. What have you been up to?
And one more, it's been a while. It means I haven't seen you for a long time.
To start making small talk, you can use it's been a while. It's been a while since we last talked. It's been a while since we saw each other. This is how you can respond to it's been a while. I know. How have you been? Yeah, it's been forever. Yeah, how long has it been? I know, it's been too long. How's everything? It sure has. Too long, if you ask me. If you want to learn more advanced vocabulary, I recommend to watch this video.